How do I tailor my communication to different audiences? Have you ever found yourself in a conversation where you felt like you were speaking a different language? Tailoring your communication to different audiences is key to making sure your message gets through. It starts with understanding that everyone has their own way of processing information. This means you need to adjust how you express your thoughts based on who you are talking to. First, think about who your audience is. Are they friends, colleagues, or strangers? Each group has different expectations and knowledge levels. For example, when talking to a close friend, you might use casual language and inside jokes. But when addressing a professional group, you would want to use more formal language and industry-specific terms. Cognitive therapy can help you with this process. One technique is thought reframing. If you find yourself thinking, "They won't get what I am saying," challenge that thought. Ask yourself, what proof do I have of this? Have I communicated well before? By replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, like, "I can adjust my words to help them understand," you can communicate more clearly. Next, adjust your language and tone. Use simpler words when your audience may not be familiar with the topic. If you are speaking to experts, feel free to use technical terms. Matching your tone to the situation is also important. A formal tone works well in business settings, while a casual tone is better for friends. Using relatable examples can also help your audience connect with your message. Think about their experiences and choose examples that resonate with them. This makes your communication more engaging and easier to understand. Nonverbal communication is just as important. Pay attention to your body language, eye contact, and gestures. These should align with the cultural norms of your audience. For instance, some cultures may prefer more personal space, while others are comfortable with closer proximity. Active listening is another key component. Be attentive to feedback and adjust your message based on how your audience responds. This helps ensure that your message is understood and appreciated. Cognitive therapy techniques like assertiveness training can also be beneficial. They teach you how to express your thoughts and needs clearly without being too passive or aggressive. Practicing conversations through role-playing can help you refine your approach for different audiences. By combining thought reframing with practical communication skills, you can develop strategies that work for various audiences. This not only improves how your message is received, but also builds your confidence in communicating. Remember, effective communication is about making connections, and tailoring your message is the first step in that process.